Hi and welcome to this introductory lecture for Unit 3, Human Resource Management. In the next few minutes I will explain the topics covered in the course's 4 learning outcomes. This course will be valuable for anybody wishing to pursue a career in human resources, or for anybody wishing to progress to a higher level of study. The first learning outcome asks you to explain the purpose and scope of human resource management in terms of resourcing an organisation with talent and skills appropriate to fulfil business objectives. So, an introduction to what human resource management is, what it involves and its main functions. This part of the unit also introduces key concepts like workforce planning, recruitment policies, staff selection, induction and staff retention. Learning outcome 2 goes on to explore some of the key elements of human resource management. Evaluate the effectiveness of the key elements of human resource management in an organisation. These elements fall broadly under the headings of development and training, job and workplace design, performance and reward, and flexible working practices. More specifically, you will be looking at, for example, identifying training needs, extrinsic and intrinsic reward schemes, motivational theory and performance management. Learning outcome 3 considers influences on HR decision making. Analyse internal and external factors that affect human resource management decision making, including employment legislation. This part of the course focuses on employee relations and strategies for building and maintaining good workforce relations, and then goes on to consider important external factors, including employment law, an organisation's social and ethical responsibilities, and the role of trade unions. Learning outcome 4 asks you to apply human resource management practices in a work-related context. So now you'll be expected to apply the theory you have learned in the earlier parts of the unit to real workplace situations. For example, using real job specifications and specific examples of recruitment and selection practices to explain human resource management in the workplace. This part of the unit also explores the effect of recent developments, for example online job sites and social media, and the effect they've had on the recruitment and the selection process. Finally, make sure that you fully understand what is being asked in your assignment. Your assignment questions will include task or command words like discuss or assess or critically evaluate, and you need to know the often subtle differences between these words or phrases. And you will find a link to a useful document in the study skills area, which explains exactly what these different command words mean.